Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So the adjustable pedals fuses, guys. Okay, where you can find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram right here. Now, what we need to do, open the hood. Once you open the hood, here on the driver's side, you see that your car battery. In front of it, you have that cover. Now you have two tabs, press them. That box will open. On the inside, you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. For the adjustable pedals, practically we need to check one fuse only. Make sure to stand till the end. We want to share good advice so you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Come in that row of fuses here and you need to check fuse number. That's 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. That fuse right here, that's for the adjustable pedals that you need to check, guys. Now, always buy some spare fuses and relays. You have all kinds of fuses and relays. They're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed replacement, we couldn't get it, and because of that we were stuck, guys. So always get some spare ones. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.